S5S.
Hi guys, I'm Spike and we are now here at S5S Wrapping Studio here at Visayas of Quezon City, and we have here a 2022 Jeep Rubicon. So original color is black. So the client wanted to have a matte finish for this Jeep Rubicon. We suggested and proposed to use the frosted matte satin black. Meron tong texture. It's not the regular matte finish black na sticker. We were able to remove all the panels and wrap it one by one, piece by piece, for us to have a quality workmanship procedure. It's all tack in, hindi siya nakakat sa edges. Malinis siya. And for the stock Rubicon sticker na nasa hood, we place a textured frosted black on top of the decal para magkaroon ng embossed finish. We were able to repaint all the faded black plastic panels, yung mga plastics niya. So we dismantled all the body parts, siguro mga more than 30 or 40 pieces siya na natanggal namin. And then the front bumper was also repainted with our matte black finish. Instead of painting the front grille, we wrap with our frosted matte satin black to complement yung hood and the fender. We also repainted the step boards with matte black para mas fresh yung look niya. We wrapped the wide fenders, and then the plastic panels was also repainted with semi-gloss black para may accent yung different shades of black natin. We retained yung mga hooks niya with the red accent. Ang finish niya is stealth looking. So there you go, our project Stealth Jeep Rubicon. So guys, if you have any project, gusto nyong magkaroon ng ganitong concept, just message us on Facebook or Instagram. Stay safe and God bless. Thank you so much.
S5S.